This is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2017 Subaru Forester, stock number 6892. It's ran from the 9th, 2013 to 7th, 2018. It has an FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Right rear door, 2 dents. Right front door, 1 dent and 2 wobbles. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.